Janie Pendleton. We are back in our little homestead kitchen, I should say, and we are making a beautiful pork roast that we got on sale tonight at Kroger. I'm gonna stick that with some awesome croissants that we made. See, made some beautiful croissants. So what I'm making is I'm making a pork roast. You can make this with pork chops, thick pork chops with bone in, or a pork roast with the bone in. Put the fat side down, and this is called pork roast Pierre. Pork roast Pierre, okay? And I got this recipe out of a new cookbook that we went shopping and I saw tonight. It's called Fix It and Forget It Slow Cooker Champion Recipes, okay? This is my new knife. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, and I said I would not post a video until I got used to the knife, and I wanted to make sure how well it worked. We're going to take this red onion, any kind of onion you got, and we're just going to put it right here on the inside. This is my pink Himalayan salt. We are throwing food around right now, folks. We are throwing food around. All right, I already added the pepper, so a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, or to your taste. Calls for 2 medium onions. I did a half of a red. Take in, and we're going to put in the 3 ribs of celery. Remember, keep it all. Put it in here for the, either for the compost bin or for some broth, vegetable broth. Put that pepper in there. I love sweet pepper, don't I, Papa?
Mm-hmm, they're good.
14-ounce can of stewed tomatoes. No, a half a cup of ketchup. All right, we'll put it in there. There it is, there's your ketchup. 2 tablespoons of cider vinegar. You do not have to be exact. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, and I just love this stuff. So I'll put in 3. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm gonna make that heaping. I'll make that taste so good. There's 1. And there's 2. Put that right there in with all that ketchup and all that good stuff. Actually, it's Worcestershire sauce. How much? Woohoo, I better see how much first. 2 tablespoons. But there's more in here than that. Shake it up. I'm going to go for 3 tablespoons. I'm going to go for 2 1/2. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. We're going to shake that up really good. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of my dehydrated beef base. Okay, it still smells absolutely delicious. Just get it all in there. I got to add the Chef Janie twist to this right here. So I'm going to add some ranch dressing mix to this. That's what I'm talking about, just a little bit. I'm just going to kind of stir that in, right, and get that down to that meat, flavor it.